Question from averages, and let us go through that. Strength of an indigo solution in percentage is equal to the amount of indigo in grams per 100 cc of water. I have two 800 cc bottles filled with indigo solutions of strength 33% and 17%. ठीक है, a part of the solution from the first bottle is thrown away and replaced by an equal volume of the solution from the second bottle. So 33% is being mixed with 17%, but volumes are different. If the strength of the indigo solution in the first bottle is now changed to 21%, then what is the volume of the solution left in the second bottle? So what I'm going to take is that if I have two 800 cc bottles, from the first bottle, let me say that x ml is taken out and thrown away. ठीक है, अगर x निकाल के फेंक दिया, 800 minus x is left of 33%. It is now mixed with that x ml has been replaced from the second solution. So x ml from the second solution. फर्स्ट बॉटल में से x उठा के फेंक दिए एंड इट इज़ मिक्सड विद x ml फ्रॉम द सेकेंड बॉटल. परसेंटेजेस लिख लेंगे 33% and 17%. This mixture in totality has 21%. Standard allegations will give us the answer. 33 minus 21 is 12%, and 21 minus 17 is 4%. Finally, ratio of terms, 800 minus x upon x is 4 upon 12, that's 1 upon 3. इससे आपका x का वैल्यू आ जाएगा as 600. If x is 600 and 600 from the second bottle has been thrown away, then second bottle में कितना बचा? 800 minus 600 बचा. 200 is the right answer. If in the second bottle, out of 800, 600 has been thrown away, how much is left? 800 minus 600 is left. The answer is 200. And this was question number 11.